We've been doing sumo springs for about 6 months now. Honestly, it's one of the easiest jobs I have here. We do enjoy doing them. They go by really quick. They're very simple to install. And it's just not a lot of stress or hard work for us. The install of a rear sumo spring is actually really easy. On the Travatos that we do, there's a bracket in the middle and the bottom below the springs where the leaf spring is. You jack that up about 5 inches, take off the old springs that are there. And then just, take the sumo spring, put it on with the Loctite, spin it into place. Then we take a oil filter wrench, and use that to tighten it the rest of the way. Drop it down, and that's it.
What about the front, the coil sumo? What's the process there?
When we jack up the front of the unit, we actually jack it up in the middle of the unit, so that way the springs will drop down themselves. Give us enough clearance to put in the sumo spring. So spray it with a little spray dish soap and water, or whatever you want to use. When they're fully extended, you just simply slide it counterclockwise in the way of the spring. It slides right in, pop it in, and that's it.